Today we are going to install the DRT Motorsports front grille set for Polaris RZR 200 EFI. Install time for this item is around 30 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this project: an impact driver and a 2mm hex bit socket. So gather the tools needed and let's get started. Step 1. Install center grille panel. To begin, align the center grille panel. Once it is positioned correctly, thread the bolts through the grille and into the threaded backing plate. The provided backing plates are designed to go behind the factory plastic grille. You can use an impact driver and a 2mm hex bit socket to fully tighten the hardware. To ensure the grille stays centered while tightening, start by threading the upper and lower bolts on one side, followed by the center bolt. With one side fastened down, you can now move on to the other side and repeat the same steps. Start by threading the upper and lower bolts, then the center bolt. You can use the impact driver to fully secure all the bolts. Step 2. Install side grille panels. For the side panels, it is easiest to install with the hardware pre-installed. Guide the backing plates through the grille side opening. Once the grille panel is properly aligned, you can fasten the hardware with the impact driver. With one side complete, you can now move on to the next, following the same steps. Congratulations, you have now installed your new DRT Motorsports front grille set for Polaris RZR 200 EFI. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.